Welcome back to the channel. As y'all can kind of tell, it is super early this morning. Right now I'm working third shift, so I still had a little bit of energy left this morning. Shout out to my beautiful wife who is sound asleep, but I was able to convince her to come out and do a video this morning for you guys. Hopefully we can get some nice topwater bites for y'all. Y'all stick with us. Y'all see that come out from down the bank to eat it? Oh yeah. Saw the wake on this guy come up right behind it, stopped it for a second. Just gave it a couple twitches and he could not resist. Alright buddy, stop a second. There we go. Thank you, buddy. First one of the day, y'all.
That's a pretty good one too.
Oh yeah. Alright y'all, that was just a little, I'm gonna say scary moment. If y'all can see right out there, that little metal thing bombed a cast out and my line went over top of it as I brought it, tried to bring it to the side. You know, whopper ploppers with treble hooks got caught, and all my other fishing gear is still on my kayak where we put the kayak on the river. If y'all didn't see that last video, go check it out. So I don't have any of my other fishing gear. I just had this topwater at home. I brought my rods home from the river, and so we were gonna be screwed with just one fish this morning if I couldn't have gotten this off and had to break it off. But good little talking note. I know in one of our previous videos I talked about the braid that I was using that I wasn't real happy with. Well, this video I'll have on some Beyond braid that I switched to. This is the first time bringing it out, so far it is working great. Like I said, got caught up on that piece of metal out there, and there is no frays, nicks, anything on that line, so I'm pretty happy with it right now. Come here, boy. Oh yeah.
I'm on the other side of you.
Oh, he missed it, but still
Still got him.
got him hooked in the belly. Come here, buddy. Please don't hook me. Thank you, buddy. Ooh, that's a little bit. Oh!
Uh-oh.
Quick release. As y'all can see, my favorite topwater, because I use it all the dang time, is a whopper plopper. Y'all comment what y'all's favorite topwater is, and also comment what other topwater lures or just lures in general y'all'd like to see us use. We'd really appreciate it, and I think it'd be fun throwing different stuff.
And a challenge.
Oh, and a challenge. So y'all comment down below. All right, y'all. Don't know what's going on. Made the wife get up super early. Topwater just ain't on. Caught 2 fish, missed 1 or 2. So calls for desperate measures to go get the ultralight rod and see if we can catch something on it. So y'all stay tuned. What happened? Y'all comment down below if y'all have ever had a bad backlash with a spinning rod, bait caster, whatever. That one wasn't too bad, but it definitely caught me off guard. no, don't get me wrapped up. Oh, yes. Finally. Another one. About the same size as all the other ones. Like I said, I don't know what happened to the topwater bite, but I'm glad this little guy won to munch. Let him swallow it, swim with it, dress them nice, send them to school, and they still don't eat it. God. There we go. Stay on. Stay on. Whatever you are, stay on. Multi-species, got a brim. Look how pretty. Bright orange. Daggone thing eats it better than the bass. Tell me how that works. Pretty, pretty fish. Thank you for eating. Golly. He come up and smacked it. He wanted it. Thank you, buddy. Sight fish. This little guy. This is a new one on the channel, and I think a new one for me in general. Comment down below if you know what it is. I'm gonna get a little close-up of it. What it looks like. Mouth. Y'all let us know what you think it is down in the comments. And comment what y'all's biggest one of these is. Oh, he's a fighter. Come on. Do a flip.
He already did that.
One more just for me. Thank you, buddy. Saw this fish come up and smack a shad or something up against the bank. Threw out, gave it a couple twitches, and he come up and smoked it. I think that's the biggest one of the day, y'all. Awesome. Thank you. What is this? Fighting Heart or whatever it is. Brim? Oh yeah. Big old brim, y'all. Gosh. Big one. Eve.
Wow.
Slab brim. Slab.
That's the biggest one all year, or so far.
Uh-huh. Come here, buddy. Oh, yeah. Look at that big old dinner plate right there.
Wow.
If y'all want to see some catching cooks later on, let us know. Fighting like a brim. Yep. Fighting like another big old brim. Oh, shoot it. Come on. Thank you, sir. Not as big as the last one, but still pretty big. Come here, little bass. Do a flip. Oh, hi, buddy. You wanted that this time. Thank you. Little baby. Well, y'all, that is going to do it for today. Had a blast. Little ultralight rod. Came in clutch again. A little micro swim bait. Always a good go-to. y'all like the video if y'all want me to unveil my super secret ultralight technique that I don't even think my wife knows about, because I don't pull it out very often, because this normally does the job. Thank y'all again for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll catch y'all on the next one.